Who's that boy over there, Hannah?
That's my brother, Jem.
Your brother?
Yes. And that's his girlfriend, Lucy. The pretty girl with the long brown hair.
Oh, right. So, you've got a brother?
No, I've got two brothers, Jem and Alex.
Really? How old is Alex?
Alex and Jem are twins. They're both 15.
15? And does Alex look like Jem?
They're exactly the same. They're both tall and thin. They've both got short brown hair, green eyes, and big ears.
Oh, they're not big. I think they're cute. And has Alex got a girlfriend?